Now, let's log into the app using the email and password that we created. The primary feature of this app is climate control. Climate control has two options, manual and auto. By looking at the green tick mark indication, you can identify if the app is in manual or auto mode. For example, we see that the tick mark is on the manual option, so now the app is in manual mode. Let us look at the manual screen features one by one. Whenever there is a change in the device, like a change in room temperature or humidity, it communicates that information to your mobile app. The timestamp above indicates the last information received from your thermostat. When you click on the green color refresh button, it checks your thermostat and brings information from your thermostat to the mobile app. You don't have to click on the refresh button. It automatically updates and collects information from your thermostat. Let's jump to fan control. Under fan type, you can see two options, auto and on. When it is in auto mode, your fan will only function when your AC or heat pump is switched on. If it is in on mode, your fan will be switched on all time regardless of AC or heat pump operations. Likewise, you can manage your fan speed from low to high. Now, let us look at the HVAC control. No matter what the target temperature, the key decision factor for switching on your air conditioner and heater is always these buttons. So if you want the heater to be switched on, this button should be turned on. These features are designed to give you complete control over your HVAC equipment. Whenever you make changes to your target temperature, please remember to hit the blue Submit button. Also, allow a few seconds for the changes to reflect on your climate control screen and your thermostat. Finally, let us look at our indicators quickly. The blue color light indicates that the air conditioner is switched on. Red indicates heater 1 and 2. Here is your low fan indicator, and this light tells you that the fan speed is high. The last symbol tells us that the device is currently connected to Wi-Fi. It will change the icon from Wi-Fi to cellular when the device is using a cellular connection.